Hi, lovely people. How is your day going? Mine's doing pretty good. I am recording a few videos. That way I have some videos for you every day because if you don't know, I am doing my 12 days of giveaway, which I'm so excited. So this is day 2. So if you don't know, you have to, I lost my whole train of thought. You have to be subscribed to my channel and that's it. That's all. And every day for 12 days, I'm going to have a little giveaway. Instead of having one big Christmas giveaway, I'm like, why not do 12 little ones to give you guys more chances to win? So I'm going to unbox the winter 2018 FabFitFun box, and then after that, I'll show you what's going to be in the giveaway and talk about it a little bit more. And if you are wondering what is on my face, at the end of the videos, if you're new to my channel, I tell you what I'm wearing and give you like a little mini review of what I think of the products. So, I haven't even cut this puppy open. I have not even looked. I haven't watched any unboxings, and I kind of forget what's in here, to be honest with you. This is, just in case if I forget, this is $49.99 every quarter, but I do have a code for you guys that you can save $10 off, so you can get your box for $39.99, which is a steal. It's a great deal because these are like between $300 and $400 worth of value. So I did put a couple add-ons because here's a trick. If you want your box sent to you faster, you have to add on some add-ons and then it will get shipped to you faster. All right, so the first thing that I picked out 2 things. I've always said I live in New Jersey and my hands and my feet and my skin, they always get really dry, especially in the colder months. So I never tried this brand. This is the Body Pure. This is the Keratin Glove and Socks. And I've never tried it, so you got some to put on your hands and your feet. And I forget how much this was. It wasn't much at all, maybe $7 or $10. I really don't remember. Comment down below if you tried this before. Let me know what you think of it. And then lastly, I think this was like $7, I think. This is the Sponge Gel French in the scent French Lavender. And what this is like a little sponge thingy, and it has the soap already in it. And I've never even heard of these or tried these until I got this in FabFitFun one year, and I love them. And oh, that's what it looks like. It has the plastic still on it. And when you wet it, you know, you get the, oh, that smells so good. All right. So let's see where I have to cut this at. Okay, right here. Okay. So let me know, do you get this box? I really like it. What do you think of it? You know, I think it's pretty good, especially if you want to save $10. Like I said, I'll leave the link down below to try it out. It's definitely worth it. It's one of my favorite boxes. And so that's what it looks like when you open it up. It always comes with a little brochure or pamphlet magazine to tell you what everything is, and then that's what it looks like. So this here is a turn dinner stress in no time. This is Hello Fresh, so you get a $60 gift card, and this is It's Giving Season, and $15 off your first FabFitFun. Value for $34.99. I'll leave that down below as well. And then it has a little sticker. All right. So this is what the box looks like. All right. Let's see how am I going to do this? All right. Let me go to this little page to tell you what everything is so I can tell you a little bit about it. All right. And that's what it looks like, right? Like that. And then it gives you the prices. Okay. So the first thing, which is the biggest thing, is this Mark and Graham, I forget what it is. Let me read up on it. Is it a scarf? I don't remember. All right, so you could have got either in cream or this brownish color. This is $49. You could have got it in gray ivory or natural ivory. So this looks like it's the gray ivory. No, is it? I don't know. This is Throw, Cozy Up with Women Throw, which features a striped design and cool fridge detailing. So that is $49. So let me open it up and see what it looks like. make sure you guys check every day. Like yesterday, I have a video up of what day 1 will be. And you can enter every day if you want. And you don't have to just enter just that one day. Okay, so this is like a little blanket, I guess. I don't know. Let's see. So it has these little fringes here. It's very, very pretty. I think I'm going to give this to my mom. They had a fire at their house. So, you know, now that it's getting cold and I live in New Jersey, they don't really have like blankets and different things. So that's really pretty. All right. So we got that. What else? What happened to my magazine? Okay. This is, what is this? Macaron Gold Series. Made with pure argan oil. What is this? Oh, a treatment mask. I think I picked this. I remember being able to pick it. Yes, I did. You could have got the Beer Paw Combo Set Headband and Pop Top Glove Duo, which was $45, or you could have got this treatment mask, which was $49, and I picked the mask, so I will show you what you could have picked. You could have picked this or that. All right, and I'm really excited to try that. All right, the next thing in the box is from Thrive Cosmetics. I've never tried anything from them, but I have heard, I am really having a hard time with this box. I've heard some things about, this is a Brilliant Eye Brightener right there. Okay, so what is that? Where are you at? Okay, so that is $24. It is in the shade Stella. It's infused with macadamia and meadow foam oil. The silky champagne eye brightener instantly highlights and brightens your eyes. So you can either wear it like as a brow highlight, you know, under your eyes. So you could have got the Thrive Cosmetics. You could have got the Hava cream mask, which would be $33. Or you could have got the eye mask with hyaluronic acid, which is $29. And I wouldn't mind if, and it's right there. All three of them, it didn't matter to me, so I'm glad that I got that. All right, the next thing is this Elevate 2 Essential Oils. Right there. My husband loves these things. Okay, so where's that at? Where is that? Why don't I see it? Okay, you could have got the essential oils, which is sweet orange, and the eucalyptus oil, which that would have been $31, or you could have got the body cream and coconut sugar for $24. So I'm glad I got them oils because my husband loves them things. All right. The next thing we got is from Pure. So this is an eyeshadow palette. I believe we were able to pick this as well. You could have got the socks, which was $24. The Jade Stone roller, which was $45. Holy cow. Or this Pure Be Your Selfie palette, which is $36. And that's what it looks like right there. See what she looks like. I might put this in a giveaway because I believe I picked this because I have so many palettes. I picked this. I don't want to rip it. Let's see if I can I get it open? No, I can't get it open, but I will show you a picture of it. And down here, you could have picked either one of them. So right there is the eyeshadow palette. Okay. But why do I have this? Why do I have this? Why do I have this? Oh, so, okay, I was wrong. So this brightener, it wasn't or. I guess you get all three of these down there. My bad. So I did get the cream mask, which these are really nice. I like this brand. And that was $33. So I messed up on that. I apologize. All right. The next thing we got is from Black. So these are the eye masks, the Black Hydrogel eye mask with hyaluronic acid, which is $29. And how many do you get in here? You get 5. And it's so funny because I said I would have liked all of them. So I'm kind of glad we got all of them. All right. Then we got, what is this? This looks like a Bite Beauty lipstick right there. So this is where you could have got. So you could have got this Bite Beauty lipstick, which is $26. You could have got a 4-piece coaster set, which was $18, or the body sliders that were $18. You know, it's like you could work out on and stuff. So I'm glad we got the lipstick. This is in the shade Mariner. I don't know how to say it. Let me just show you right there. Okay. Let's look at it. I love Bite Beauty lipsticks. Okay. So, you know, the regular packaging. Oh, that's pretty. That's like a nude color. Now, this is kind of light, but what I like about this is, well, that's actually really pretty. It's actually darker than what I thought. It is gorgeous. But if you ever get a light shade that you think is too light, you can kind of like go in with a dark shade and put it on top. But that's beautiful. I could wear that alone. I like that a lot. Okay. What else? Is that it? One more thing we got in here. So, what is this? Oh, okay. We could have gotten, I believe I picked this as well. You could have got the jewelry portfolio, the dry shampoo, or this necklace. And I picked the necklace. This was $48. The dry shampoo was $44. And the jewelry portfolio was $48. And that's that middle row right there. So because I just pay quarterly, you only get to pick a few things, but I do know that if you pay annually, you get to pick a little bit more of what you want. But I like the subscription boxes and I like the mystery. So I like the fact that you get to pick some and, you know, some things you don't know until you get it. All right, so let's open that up. I'm really excited to see what this looks like. This is from Legally Sadowy. I don't know. I am not good at pronouncing things. Okay. Oh, that's beautiful. That's gorgeous. So right here, you can make it longer or shorter. That is so pretty. I love it. This is probably one of my favorite things that we got in the box. I love it. That and that mask. Where did I put the mask at? Oh, this mask right here. I'm definitely excited for that. So, does it say... So the value could have been anywhere from $290 to $335. And remember, this is only $49.99. And like I said, if you use my code, you can get $10 off. So that's definitely exciting. Now, if you are here to see what day 2 for the giveaway will be, before I show you, there will be a GLEAM link down in my description box. Make sure that you go through GLEAM. Every day that I have the giveaway will be a different GLEAM account, since I'm having 12 different giveaways. So don't think if you go to day 1 and enter, you're entered in all of them. No, you're not. You're entered in only the ones that you pick. So like I said, you can enter all 12. So if you entered yesterday's, you can enter today's. But this is what is going to be for day 2. So this is the e.l.f. Modern Mattes set. I think this was maybe 30, I don't remember how much this was, but I want to get the whole set so you guys can try it out. So like I said, you just have to make sure that you are subscribed, and that is through GLEAM. You don't have to do anything else. You don't have to go to my Instagram. You don't have to, you know, watch these videos. Just make sure you're subscribed because it's giving back to you guys. Make sure that you like this video and you have to leave a comment. So let's see, what will the comment be? Tell me what your favorite thing about this box was. What did you like the best in this box? Let me know. Let me know if you get this subscription and, you know, if you like it. But you have to tell me what you like, you know, what your favorite thing was in this box. That's it. Be subscribed, like the video. Okay, I repeated myself I don't know how many times. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you what is on my face. So, my last video I said as well, I am wearing the Juvia's Place Festival palette. And this blue right here is what is on my lids. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 of these shades here I mixed together to put on my crease. And then on my outer eye here to deepen it up is the Nubian palette, the Juvia's Place, and it is this last shade right here. I have a Burt's Bees blush, and this is in, what is this, Bare Peach. I really like them. I say it all the time. They're very, very powdery, so you have to go in with a light hand and you can build them up, but I like it. This is my favorite color out of all their blushes. And where is my lipstick? Okay, and the lipstick that I'm wearing is Makeup Geek. Now, this doesn't have, I looked, and I don't see, this right here isn't a shade name. So I don't remember. If I can find it, I'll leave it down in the description box. And then the lip gloss is the Becky is by Becca. It's the Chrissy Teigen one. This is like the brownish color one. And then I am wearing, if I can find it because this table is a mess. Where are you? The highlight I'm wearing is by Morphe in the shade Extra. And that's what it looks like. It's like a goldish color. Oh, look. Oh, I was going to say that was my swatch. No, that was the lipstick that we got in the box. All right, so that's everything. I'm already over 16 minutes, so I am done talking to you, talking your ears off. But yeah, that's it. So make sure you guys check back. And I'm going to try to make a video every day this month. I don't know how we'll do it, but at least for the first 12 days, there will be a video and let you know what the prizes will be. All right, guys, I love you, and thank you so much for all your support that you do for me, just watching my videos, liking my videos. Even if you dislike my videos, that helps me out. So I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.